Hi there, I'm Brad Gilbert and welcome to Traders for Traders. Our FX Pro Trader course will give you a complete understanding of market structure. It will explain to you why prices move and then show you how to trade those price movements. You'll have complete understanding from your entry to your exits. You'll be able to read the market technically as well as fundamentally. And most importantly, you'll have a professional capital management system behind you to make sure you don't have any major drawdowns. Now, once you get started and you subscribe to the site, you'll get immediate access to the back end and the complete FX Pro Trader course. You'll get access to a huge amount of tools and resources, including the 24/7 trade zone, the market insight, the daily analysis of the major currency pairs, and the FX dashboards. And there's a bunch of other stuff in there to really enhance your trading performance. The course itself has been designed to get you up and running and making cash as soon as possible. If you're ready to start making money, sign up. I can guarantee you won't be disappointed. See you in the trade zone.